This is Minu. I did the NLS camp in June 2023, and since then until now, which is just over 5 weeks, I have shed 10.8 kilos of weight. And I also, after the camp, opted for a personal mentor, and Nishaji was my personal mentor. She guided me on using the chart system, the white chart, green chart, yellow chart, and I started implementing it very diligently. It has transformed my health. I take no medication, no supplements. My pigmentation is dramatically reduced. Weight shedding is happening very, very regularly and very fulfillingly. I have more energy, more vitality, clarity of mind, and I'm totally and thoroughly enjoying seeing my body release old stuff that did not belong in my body. I feel clear, I feel energized, I feel brimming with vibrant vitality. Thank you, NLS.